Okay, today's lesson is 7.3, calculating angles. So it's the exact same concept as last time with the SOH CAH TOA, except for this time, instead of finding a second side, we're finding a missing angle. Okay, example 1. At 2 o'clock, Simon, who is 1.7 meters tall, so that's him, casts a shadow of 3.6 centimeters on the ground. What is the angle of elevation? Okay, so first of all, I don't like this that it's centimeters and meters, so let's change this to centimeters. Okay, and then he's standing at a right angle. We want to know the angle of elevation, so that's like when you're flat and you angle up. So that's from here to here. That's the angle we're trying to find. Okay, so now that we have that drawn, we're going to go that this is my H. The angle is here, so this is opposite. The angle's here, so that's adjacent. Okay, O, A, and H are labeled. Now, which one do I not need? I don't need the H. So I need an O and an A, so that means I'm going to use the TOA strategy. Okay, so we said the T represents the tan of the angle, and the fraction is O divided by A. So O is 170 divided by A. Okay. Now we go into our calculator and we go 170 divided by 3.6 equals that. Okay. Now here's the thing. So I have tan of x is equal to 47.22, whatever. I'm going to keep it on my calculator. So if I want to get x alone, I need to get rid of tan. So how do I get rid of tan? I tan inverse, because that's the opposite operation. So tan inverse cancels tan, and I get angle x. So that means I need to tan inverse. So I'm going to go see the second function. Tan of that number, that answer, equals 88.8 degrees. Okay? So number 2 here, a cable is secured at the top of a cliff to create a zip line. Okay, what angle does the zip line make with the ground is the first question. So we're going to answer that one first. So we got 15 meters, 39 meters, and angle with the ground. So this is our x. Okay, so give me an H across the right, my angle, so this is opposite, my angle, so this is adjacent. Out of those three, I'm going to eliminate the A. It's not needed. So O and H means I'm using the SOH method. So the S represents the sine of the angle, and the fraction is the O on the top, the H on the bottom. Okay, so now because I'm finding an angle, I'm getting rid of the sine, so I'm sine inversing. So I'm going to sine inverse, and then I'm going to do that of that fraction. So that's what I'm typing in. So I'm going to sine inverse, and I'm going to put this in brackets. 15 divided by 39 equals 22.6 degrees. Okay, so that's 22.6 in there. What is the angle of depression from the top of the cliff is the second question. So this is what's going on. The angle of depression would be from the cliff and down. So this is a depression angle. So flat angled down. Okay, so if this is 22.6 and this is 90, then inside here is, if you remember, they all add up to 180. So that's 67.4. So then, this angle of depression, can you see that these would make a 90-degree angle? So inside here would be 22.6 degrees for the angle of depression as well. Okay? So angle of depression from a flat horizon and an angled down. So let me just draw you a picture. Elevation is from a ground going up, and then depression angle is from a flat going angled down.